I believe there's a more likely chance to see the storm come together now on Sunday going into Monday. Still not a definite. My goodness, it's over 3,000 miles away, but I've got my eye on it and starting to feel a little something, in the back of my neck. Because, yeah, some pieces are coming together and could be a good-sized storm. Let's check in with the weather watchers right now. How about we go to some pictures? I always like to show you some pictures that you folks have sent in. And wow. Look at some of these shots here. This is really great-looking stuff. This kind of sums up the day, though. Look, I know there's some more dramatic-looking pictures there, but this is the sort of day that we had. Daniel Hannigan, thank you very much for that. Kind of foggy, just not that nice of a looking day out there. Didn't pick up too much rain, but it was out there. Let me show you how we see this day coming together. I put a list together for you, and really tomorrow, Saturday, the better half of your weekend. Sunday is when things start to turn damp, and then Monday is where you can see some big rain, some big winds out there as well. So let's go over and talk about how it's all going to come together. Come on this way. We'll go over to the weather wall, and I'll show you where the rain is right now. Currently, there's not too much of it. There's a little bit out there. Anything you see on the radar picture, vortex not showing a real strong rain event. Few little light showers out there. That's about it. They're clearly now to the east and also some to the north of New York City. They're going to continue to push out of the area. They become a non-player by like 11 o'clock at night or so. I only picked up 1/10 of an inch of rain, so not much there at all. This is a lot of rain on the west coast, and it has the potential to give us a soaking rain later in the day Sunday, all through Monday, possibly into the early morning hours of Tuesday. I'm going to explain all of that, but it's not part of the forecast for tomorrow. Tomorrow you have a milder touch out there, hitting 53 degrees. Clouds do stick around. Not the rain from today, but the clouds stick around. Could see some breaks as you get into the afternoon hours, so that's a possibility. Here's how things play out. All right, this is Saturday. Now I want to get us into Sunday, because Sunday's when things start to sort of click. This is Sunday, 6 a.m., and there's some big rain, but it's offshore. Now, that could move onshore. That's a possibility, but that isn't even what we're really focused on. We are focusing on this system coming from California, hitting the eastern seaboard, riding up, picking up some added moisture, and really putting a lot of rain down. And look at this. Could even be some snow possibilities north and west of the city. So the time frame is Sunday during the evening hours all the way till Tuesday morning, periods of rain and gusty winds, possibly 2 to 4 inches of rain, some gusty winds, 40, 50 miles per hour. Heaviest would be the second half of Monday. Minor to moderate coastal flooding. You got to watch the high tides. High tides coupled with that wind pushing the water on shore, that's a problem. So any snow, yep, the higher elevations north and west. Marginal temperatures means it's a heavy wet snow. Northwest New Jersey, lower Hudson Valley, you could see the snow accumulations, but as of right now, minor accumulations. But I've got to emphasize, as of right now, the track for the storm is not established. It's not written in stone. This is how we think it's going to play out. Here's the extended forecast. You were looking at a temperature tomorrow of 53 degrees. We went through that, 51 on Sunday, and I think the complications could begin later Sunday going into Monday. Really, that is your story. By the time you get to the end of next week, you're right back to that cold air. It will come back.
Okay, Lonnie, thank you for all of that.